Have you ever had one of those days where nothing is wrong, but nothing feels right either? You wake up, you check your phone, you go through your routine, but inside it feels like your life is paused while everyone else keeps moving forward. You tell yourself, I'll figure things out soon. But weeks pass, then months, and somehow you're in the exact same place. If your life feels stuck right now, not broken, just stuck, this video is for you. Because most people try to change their whole life overnight, and that's exactly why nothing changes. Here's something nobody tells you. Feeling stuck usually isn't about laziness. It's not lack of talent either. It's decision fatigue. Too many thoughts, too many options, too much pressure to figure out your future. So your brain chooses the safest option, doing nothing. You scroll instead of starting. You plan instead of acting. You wait for motivation that never really arrives. And slowly, comfort turns into frustration. You're not failing. You're just overloaded. And today, we're going to simplify everything. When life feels stuck, people try to fix everything at once. New habits, new goals, new routines, new identity. That's overwhelming. Instead, do this. Shrink your focus to one small area today. Not your whole life, just one corner of it. Maybe it's cleaning your desk, sending one email you've been avoiding, going for a 10-minute walk. It sounds small, almost too small, but action creates momentum, and momentum changes how you feel about yourself. You don't need a life reset. You need proof that you can move again. Most people think clarity comes before action. It doesn't. Clarity comes after movement. Think about how many times you delayed something because you didn't feel ready. Starting a project, learning a skill, taking care of your health. You told yourself, I'll start when I'm motivated. But motivation is usually a reward, not a starting point. The truth is simple. You start messy. You start unsure, and confidence quietly catches up later. Waiting keeps you stuck. Imperfect action loosens the ground beneath you. Your brain believes what you repeatedly show it. So if every day looks the same, your mind assumes your life isn't changing. So give it a new signal. Wake up 20 minutes earlier. Write one page of thoughts. Read instead of scrolling before bed. Step outside without your phone. These small shifts tell your brain something new is happening. And when your brain senses progress, even tiny progress, hope returns. Not dramatic hope, quiet hope, the kind that makes tomorrow feel slightly lighter. A big reason people feel stuck is comparison. You see someone succeeding online, someone younger doing better, someone who seems certain about life, and suddenly your own pace feels wrong. But you're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. Progress is rarely loud. Most growth looks boring from the outside. It's repeating small actions nobody notices. So today, remove one source of pressure. Unfollow accounts that make you feel behind. Take a break from constant input. Spend 1 hour without consuming anything. When the noise lowers, your own direction becomes easier to hear. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop asking, how do I fix my life? Start asking, what would make today 1% better? That question is powerful because it's answerable. Drink more water, finish one task, have one honest conversation, rest without guilt. A better life is rarely built in big dramatic moments. It's built in ordinary days that you finally decide to participate in. You don't escape being stuck by thinking harder. You escape by moving, gently, consistently, forward. So if your life feels stuck right now, remember this. You don't need a complete transformation. Shrink your focus. Start before you feel ready. Change one daily signal. reduce pressure, and make today slightly better than yesterday. That's how motion begins again. Not perfectly, just honestly. Maybe pause here for a moment. Notice one small step you could take today. If this space feels helpful, you can stay with it by subscribing. And if someone close to you feels stuck too, you can share this with them. Take care of your inner world. I'll see you in the next one.